There was a time when darkness ruled the streets of Abba, when thieves walked like kings and blood spilled in the open. The police looked away, the people cried for help, and then they came. No badge, no mercy, no courtroom. They carried machetes and something far more terrifying. They said they couldn't die. They said charms whispered their enemies' names. They said the guilty would burn. They called themselves the Bakassi Boys. Justice with blood in its hands. But power changes things. And soon they weren't just chasing criminals. They were hunting anyone. Fear became law. And the line between hero and horror, it vanished. This isn't just a story. This is a warning. Once you awaken demons to fight demons, they don't go back.